Imagine this. In just a few billion years, two massive galaxies, the Milky Way and Andromeda, will collide. What might seem like a catastrophic event is actually a cosmic dance that will reshape both galaxies. But what will really happen when these two giants clash in the darkness of space? Will it be the end? Or is this just a new beginning? Right now, the Milky Way and Andromeda are speeding toward each other at a staggering 400,000 kilometers per hour. And in about 4.5 billion years, they will finally collide. But this isn't an event that will unfold in a single moment. No, the collision will take place over a span of millions of years, transforming the very fabric of both galaxies. During this process, stars will pass right through each other without colliding, as the distances between them are vast. The real drama happens in the form of gas clouds interacting, triggering intense bursts of star formation. At first, the interaction will be subtle, with gravitational forces pulling at the gas and dust, but eventually it will set the stage for something far more extraordinary, the birth of a new galaxy. As Andromeda and the Milky Way converge, they won't just collide, they will merge into one massive supergalaxy. Scientists have given it the name Milkomeda. This new galaxy will be billions of times more massive than either of the two before it. Think about that. A new galactic titan with billions of stars, planets, and cosmic wonders. A structure that will dwarf anything we've ever seen before. Milkomeda will be an elliptical galaxy, a far cry from the spiral shapes of its predecessors, but even more fascinating will be what lies at its center. Two supermassive black holes, one from each galaxy, merging into one incredibly powerful cosmic entity. While most of the stars will remain in their original positions, the gravitational forces will undoubtedly wreak havoc on the smaller bodies. Planets, moons, and even star systems may be flung from their original orbits, hurtling into new star systems or being ejected into the vast emptiness of space. But don't worry, this doesn't mean a direct collision between stars. The sheer distances between stars in these galaxies ensure that star-on-star crashes are incredibly rare. Instead, what we'll see is a reshaping of the cosmic landscape, with new stars being born from the interaction of gas clouds, and entire solar systems finding new homes in the vast expanse of Milkomeda. At the heart of both the Milky Way and Andromeda sit supermassive black holes. As these two gravitational monsters come closer, they will spiral toward each other, eventually merging into a single, even more powerful black hole. This merger will release an immense amount of energy, sending shockwaves through space and creating a new gravitational center for the galaxy. Simultaneously, the collision of gas clouds will trigger a burst of star formation. New stars will ignite in the dust and chaos of this cosmic event, leading to the creation of new solar systems and possibly even new planets capable of supporting life. Now, what does all of this mean for us, humans? Well, by the time this galactic collision occurs, humanity will either be long gone or have evolved beyond our current understanding of existence. Our solar system will be impacted as well, with the gravitational forces of Milkomeda possibly shifting our orbit. Whether Earth will survive this cosmic upheaval is uncertain, but one thing is clear. This collision will mark the end of our galaxy as we know it. But just because Earth may be affected doesn't mean it's the end. In the grand scheme of the universe, this event is just another chapter in the never-ending cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is inevitable, but it's not something to fear. It's a cosmic evolution, an event that will change everything, yet is part of the natural process that governs our universe. From this destruction, a new galaxy will emerge, one that will live on for billions of years to come. Just as stars are born from the ashes of their predecessors, so too will a new cosmic world rise from the remnants of these two titans. A reminder that the universe is constantly evolving, always changing, and forever alive.